on the History Channel app.
Okay, where are you going?
Around the park.
From another planet.
Crystal's going around Tiffin.
UFOs are a worthy study. We need to take.
Hello. We're in Red Bay, Alabama at the Tiffin. This is the Tiffin Service Center. This is our camper. That's the caboose. We're on Site 51. Okay, let's go for a walk. There's down there they have all these bays where they can work on your trailers, from small little things to painting them to just about anything you need done they can do. Everyone here is super nice. They try their best. That's the guard shack there. You gotta stop and tell them where you're going, which bay you're going into. There's bays on the other side of this building too. It's massive. I won't bore you with the whole parking lot, but we'll go for a walk. Down some of the coaches. Yep, everyone's here for something. They might have to have their jacks worked on, or their awnings, or their air conditioners, or cabinets if they have a bad cabinet, or coaches here from all over. This was pretty full the other day. Every one of these had a coach in it. They got quite a few this way. New ones, older ones. Gentleman that was parked next to us just took possession of his new 2026. They got a little dog park over there, so if you have a pet, you bring your dog over there and let him exercise, let him play, which is really nice. There's a wonderful hardware store over here too. They got a little bit of everything. So we got some smaller ones over here, van.